Now we'll update the firmware in a 900 megahertz RC4Magic 900 DMXpix. So this is a 3-button interface device, but the process on this end is the same as all the other Series 3 devices. There are 2 steps. One is to get the code loader software running on a PC, connect it with the code loader cable to the device, and have the device in code loader mode. So first I'm just going to quickly show you what code loader mode is. All the Series 3 devices work the same way. You hold the Funk button while you apply power. This causes the COP light, the COP light, to come on solid. This is the only case where that's true, so it tells you you're in that mode. And it gives you 5 seconds to start doing the transfer. So here, I'll just show you what that looks like, and we'll see a timeout. I push the button, apply the power, push the button, apply the power, and there's that green light. And a few seconds later, it gives up and goes back to normal running. So that gives you an idea of how much time we have. Now, as I said, this is the code loader cable. This end goes in your computer. It will become a COM port in Windows. This end goes into the device, plugs in on this mini port right here. Let's plug in the one that I have in my computer. Here we go. And go over to the computer. So this is our software, the RC4 code loader. Run the program. You must be sure to pick the correct file for the device you're updating. So this is 900 megahertz. It is a DMXpix, and we're picking that file. I have only one COM device plugged into my computer, which makes it very easy to pick the right one, and I do recommend you just do that. If you've got several, then you've got to be sure you're picking the right one. So now we're all set. When I click the update button, it will begin the process at that end. So let's go back over to the device. We push Funk, apply power, the green light is on, and I hit update. And there the process has begun on the computer. It is replacing all of the code in this device. So if we've added a new firmware feature, whatever reason the update is there, this now is a complete and total overwrite. It's not an overwrite, however, of the parameter data. So I do recommend that after you have done an update like this, that you clear the parameters and restore everything to the defaults. Kind of an important step. I recommend you always do it. And as you've seen elsewhere in these tutorials, on all of the Series 3 devices, hold Funk, tap the next button beside it. On here, that's the Set A button. So we push Funk, tap, we get that blinking. That means it's a success. And we have now done a complete firmware update and restore defaults. It's easy, doesn't take very long. That's how you do it.